Welcome to the volcanic island of Lanzarote. Our story takes us to the northeast of the island, to the beautiful coast town of Costa Teguise. With its empty golden beaches, natural lagoons, and its beautiful people. It is here where we join our photographer staying at the THB Lanzarote Beach Hotel. Here he is, enjoying a cigar fit for Arnold Schwarzenegger before he cycles into the capital city and beyond to explore Lanzarote. You can find his documentary of this journey on his YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.